Hey everyone! Today I will be painting this beautiful scenery with blue skies and sparkling turquoise water. I don't do any sketch here. What I did is just put a line to separate the skies and the water with my watercolored pencil. For the watercolor, I used Daniel Smith watercolor here. For the sky, I used the mix of SB Turquoise Chin Wine. This is a Primatech series of Daniel Smith. This is a unique color made with authentic mineral pigment. With my brush strokes, I made a little clouds, patches of clouds, and I let it mix or blend with the water, and not all the paper is painted with my color. I would like to give credit to Waldfro Art on her Instagram account, wherein I got these reference ideas, and you can check it out. And she had a lot of beautiful artworks as well. So as an artist, I think it is okay to learn from each other artists, right? And for me, the most important principles that I've learned in my life is to become respectful to others, right? So let's go back to my painting. If you find it easy to follow, then go ahead and paint with me. So for the water, I use the combination of a little Amazonite chin wine mixed with little Payne's gray, and then a little bit of blue turquoise. You will see also on the part of this video that I give focus on painting the palm leaves, because I want it to become realistic looking, wherein the palm leaves become closer to our eyes. So you will see when the paints are all dried up, I will paint the palm leaves. You will notice also that I have a nice border tape on my paper. You will see that after my painting are all dried, I will remove that, and you will see how the white border line add up to the beauty of your painting. So it will be on the end of this video. This tape is called washi tape. I got it in Michael's on sale because it's not cheap. So in here, I use a little white gouache to add up for the reflection on the water. So when your paint is all dried up, it becomes lighter color or lighter shade. So the white needs more white for the reflection. And this time I use my Jelly Roll White from Sakura. It is a pen type of white gel, but it's really good also. And when it's fully dried, I started to paint the palm leaves using sap green for the lighter shade, plus the terra verde for the medium shade, and for the darker shade I use the Perylene green, all from Daniel Smith also. So the consistency then is from watery consistency, then the buttery consistency, and the milk consistency. That's how I use my water. So the leaves or the palm leaves, I want it more realistic looking, so there is a lighter shade and the darker shade. Painting these palm leaves are very easy, right? And you can do it yourself. So this is the most exciting part for me, removing the washi tape slowly, and you will see that there is no stain on the side or the border side. It is very satisfying to watch. So anyway, thank you again so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, and as a way of my appreciation, I always go back to your channel and watch your videos in a proper time that we should do. And thank you again, and have a great week ahead of us.